that specific note only कि how you encountered the practice and how it really helped you in your life, because I remember कि आपने काफी ज़्यादा challenges I think you overcame एक time पे you were having so a major death defining disease, you were so close to death, and still you you were able to come out of that with hope and vigor. I think that is very rare, क्योंकि जब हम situations में usually होते हैं like हमें कुछ पता नहीं लगता है, तुम्हारा पूरा reasoning सब cloud हो जाता है and we just get so much into negativity. So if we can start this on that note, because that was like one thing I was very interested in, how you started like Nichiren Darshan and Buddhism.
Yeah. So thank you for asking this. You helped me to recall. It's a long journey, but I'll try to cover in few minutes. Uh, just intro about myself. Like I have done my engineering. I wanted to join job, but I am entrepreneur by accident. You can say that, or because of my circumstances made me to start journey in entrepreneurship. Yes, you very rightly shared. Like it was 10 years back while doing my engineering. I was really going through very tough health challenges, and I was moving from one doctor to another doctor and tried various other things in my life. Somewhere I was not getting cured, and it was leading one single day was becoming a burden for me. तो इस तरह से ऐसा लगता था कि यार अगला दिन भी मुझे काटना पड़ेगा. I was so terribly, I used to have constant headache, nausea, a lot of, other stuff. So, while wondering, why this is happening to me, and someday, somehow I encountered a spiritual practice of nature in Buddhism, which helped me, which gave me a lot of answers to my life. First answer this, spiritual practice gave me about like, I asked myself, like, from where I'm getting problems in my life. ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं चाहे हेल्थ है या कोई भी है ये मुझे इन्वायरमेंट से नहीं आ रही है somehow मेरी लाइफ से ही मुझे आ रही है but somehow I was seeking solution from my environment. I was not trusting the potential of my life. So when this I encountered this Buddhism of Nichiren Daishonin, and encountered, because of that I encountered my mentor Dr. Daisaku Ikeda, and because of his health experience I was able to connect that my life having humongous potential. I need to trust, and it was a constant process. Like it's not a one day job. Like today I say that I have complete trust, because it's all about mind, which is keep on wondering every single moment and creating a lot of doubts. So in these 10 years I was when I was in struggle, or when I was really going through tough time, I used to ask like why this is happening to me, why people of my age having good time but I was not having good time. But when today I look back, I found that I was like climbing the mountains, and those barriers made my legs strong. So that experience of beat health, beat career, made me strong person, made me more empathetic person. Now I can more understand the situations of others. Instead if we don't have problems in our own life, we can create pressures on the life of others, or we can start judging others. But when we ourselves face any kind of challenge in our life, we really feel like how others can feel. So it's you can say that problems are always a blessings if we see with the eyes of faith, eyes of faith on the potential of our life. So because of that constant process and constant uh, questioning, constant trust on our life, I was able to manifest the true what we call potential, true wisdom of my life. And it's a continuous process. It's not like I'm not saying that right now I have overcome everything. There are a lot of challenges going on, lot of things are still I have in my life. But now I got a direction, like if problems are coming to my life, the same life having carrying the solution, I need to trust that life. So this is how I was able to overcome things in my life and start my journey. Now the challenges I faced, I started my entrepreneurship journey. I'm the founder and CEO of one of the edutech company. and because of that I was able to reach out to a lot of students as well, you know, and whenever they share their problem, I can easily relate with them and give them more holistic solutions, so that, you know, not only they overcome the challenges but become the source of hope in the life of others as well. Yeah.
ट्रू, ट्रू। हाँ जी, लाइक आपने